cash get dropped. Fuck them all. Fuck them all.
There's money out here.
It's money. Gotta
You
get
out here all
money.
night?
Gotta get money.
Knock on you, Brian. Knock on me.
These are Kodaks, for real. Had to smack him in his face with that cold steel. Outside late night in that stormy weather. Like whatever, hop with Echo through the ghetto. Where the nigga through his leather. Cold snatched him out of show. SLK 984 to show me the stash. Pop him in his chest, did I smash? Damn, they're losing control, but I maintain like a pro behind the wheel with a murder case. No mistake. In the rain, come follow me and see what I see, motherfucker.
I gotta hustle in the rain, so I stay focused with my eyes on the prize. Niggas ain't living right, but I'm a ball till I die. I'm on these specs to beat the set. When y'all realize your next step can be death, because it's do or die. So who are you? Who am I? Do y'all niggas really know black on black crime? Blessed with my 9 and savage grinding till I go. Knock into your dome, split, crawling the shots. Holding a spot to spot. Hood's calling for knocks, cover rock. That's what I manage. I invest in my chips in the game. I chip them zippers off the kicks and I flip. Fuck the fame, it's getting deep. Niggas is out for my pain. I put a death in a nigga rep and chalk his ass to the game. All in the rain, nigga. My nigga Jones is gone, and I won't see him again.
I used to go outside, nigga, hustle in the rain. I tried to pray to repent of my sins, but the pain was so intense I didn't think it would help. I'm still searching for the knowledge of self, snatching my tech up off the shelf. I used to go outside, nigga, hustle in the rain. I tried to pray to repent of my sins, but the pain was so intense I didn't think it would help. I'm still searching for the knowledge of self, snatching my tech up off the shelf.
I done adapted to this environment. Now they can't stop me. You're my figure. Military tactic, minister society. One of the chosen 5. That lead immortal life. Snatching all the pots. Breaking every bone in the closet. I'm out to get the data. The top secret information got me took. I'm bending every law in the book. I fled the scene with 2 knives in the air. Zero, you never scrape for no trace. Ain't on the race to get the papes and ported weapons. Army fatigue and body vest. I'm resting for Armageddon with the Illuminati. Tales of the Mayas, 20th century race riots, third war. Busted hinges and broken doors. Interrogation and infiltration on the 5 figures. And I'm a hustler in the rain until I die. I used to hustle all night long, pulling 24s, living my life wrong, sticking and moving and pushing zone, flashing that bright chrome, flashing lights on. I'm posted in the rain, inflicting pain upon the dolphin's brain. When I hit my niggas up, that shit, that boy done went insane. Then hit a lick for the can and skip down on the money train. When he get back, ain't gon' be no get back. Set back on the track like the Mac, choking on the sack, cause it gets stormy in this rainy season. We ain't gon' sign no treason, just find another reason to leave him bleeding. No breathing, body cold, this must be the El Nino. When I hit my cousins, they was dumping up on this dome with much aggression. I'm pressing on this temple with the Smith and Wesson lessons. It's what I'm giving, so fuck this shit, just stressing. He confessing, trying to search some game, but I'm serving pain, nigga. In the rain figure, you know I'm hustling, I'm hustling, I'm hustling.
I used to go outside, nigga, hustle in the rain. I tried to pray to repent of my sins, but the pain was so intense I didn't think it would help. I'm still searching for the knowledge of self, snatching my tech up off the shelf. I used to go outside, nigga, hustle in the rain. I tried to pray to repent of my sins, but the pain was so intense I didn't think it would help. I'm still searching for the knowledge of self, snatching my tech up off the shelf. I used to hustle in the rain, holding it down, feel my pain. See fake niggas pushing cakes, nigga, they'll never deal the game. Beat the hostage situation. The little nigga aimed the 4-5 to your face and you're nodded and blood clotted. Got it twisted, I admit it. Kinda liked it when I did it, that was official. Even though I knew they couldn't fuck with it. I'm a product of the shit I'm spitting. It's the life I'm living. Take a look at the cards I was given. My mama's arm so tracks. Most of the time I call the dozing. The ghetto child on his own. Feels I hope to be the chosen, but the world is my opponent. We all want it. If we never had it and get up on it, then we flown it. And if I took about this game, then all my hoes would be hunted. My ghosty figures in the rain, getting blunted. I'm hustling in the rain, nigga. I used to go outside, nigga, hustle in the rain. I tried to pray to repent of my sins, but the pain was so intense I didn't think it would help. I'm still searching for the knowledge of self, snatching my tech up off the shelf.
Y'all niggas dose to the dope. And the Thomas McCourtney was here, but he ain't here no more. Time, that's how it goes.
So intense I didn't think it would help. I'm still searching for the knowledge of self, snatching my tech up off the shelf.